Hey, if you want to change time on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, the only way to do this is actually to changing the time of your phone. There's like no settings, no option to change it in the settings. Take a look. Even when you go, for example, for the system settings or stuff like this, as you can see, there's no way to do this. So let me show you how you can actually find it in your phone if for some reason you cannot find it. So as you can see, it's almost 8 p.m. on my phone and on my watch. And now when I go into the settings of my phone, right here, let's search for the time settings. In most cases, you can actually find it in the settings, on the system settings or general settings. Then in my case, I have to go into the date and the time. And now if I turn off this automatic time and manually put, for example, like almost 10 p.m., click OK. As you can see, I can find the same time on my watch. Take a look. There we go. So that's the only way how we can adjust time on this device. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.